Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be on how to make that v-neck shape on your Bubu gown. So if you have been wondering how they make it, this video is for you. So the first thing I went ahead to do is to go out by 3 inches for my neck width. Then I also came down by 1.5 inches for our back neckline. Now I'm using my pattern master to connect together that 1.5 inches to the 3 inches point. I hope you can see. Now I'll also place my tape on our starting line and I'll be going down by 8 inches. You can go down by 9, 10 or 7 inches. It totally depends on how you want it to be. Now from that 8 inches point I marked, I extended my tape by 1 inch. I hope you're seeing. Then I went ahead to connect from that 1 inch point to that 3 inches for our neck width. I hope you understand me. So our neck width for the front and the back neckline is the same, but the length is different. So now I'm cutting our back neckline first. I went ahead to separate the back from it, then I'm cutting our front neckline. Now I hope you understand. So this is it. Now I'm gonna ahead to open it, and this is exactly what it looks like. I hope you can see. I've gone ahead to bring the back fabric and I'll be attaching it to the front facing front. I hope you're seeing the way I place the fabrics. Now I'll go ahead and draw in the shoulders first. So I went ahead to pin them down so that it won't move when I'm sewing it. I hope you understand. So now guys, I'm done stitching it. Now I've gone ahead to open it. Just open your fabric like this, your dress like this, and I'll go ahead and measure round. I hope you see we are measuring round the neckline like this. I hope you see. So do it very carefully so that you can get the exact measurement you're looking for. And now guys, when I was done, I got 24 inches, but I won't be cutting exactly 24 inches. I'll be adding extra 12 inches to mine. So what I ended up cutting was 36 inches length. Then for the width it was 2.5 inches on fold. That is, if you open it up, is 5 inches. I hope you understand. Now you can go ahead and iron stay to it on the rock side of the fabric. And guys, I'm just going to find the midpoint of this. I folded it into 2 equal parts and I'm going to just give it a notch on the midpoint. I hope you understand. Now I'll be also folding the back neckline of our dress. I hope you see. And I'll also notch that point too. I'll be placing this on it. I hope you're seeing. And I'll be using my pin to pin it down so that it won't move when we are sewing. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So I'll continue pinning it down. So when you're pinning it down, make sure you're careful so that it won't bend, and so that it will not giving you a rough side when you're done sewing. So guys, I'm done pinning it down. I hope you see. Now from this point, I hope you're seeing, I'll be going down by half an inch. I hope you see where I marked my chalk, and I'll also go down by half an inch on this other part. So we are going to extend our sewing till that point. That's the need. That is what that half an inch point is for. So guys, I'll go ahead and stitch it, and this is what I mean guys. I'm done stitching all around it. I hope you can see how it's looking so neat and pretty. Now I'll be notching both edge of the main fabric. I hope you can see. Then I'll go ahead and put our collar inside. I hope you see the way I placed it. Just go ahead and do exactly the same thing. Please watch carefully. This part is very important. And now after doing that, you can see you can go ahead and iron it out so that it will stay in place and it won't move, and it will be looking very neat. I hope you understand me. Now I'll go over and turn it over to the back parts, and you can see what it looks like. That half an inch from the material, I'm gonna have to attach it to our collar, the back side, and I'll go ahead and stitch it. Guys, this is what it looks at the front. Now see what I'm talking about here. I'm gonna have to cut out the excess of the collar and I'm gonna have to stitch it so you can see. So guys, this is all for today's tutorial. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.